Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see the problem on Milne's method of second order ordinary differential equation. The problem is apply Milne's method of predictor and corrector, compute y of 0.8 given that y satisfies the equation y double dash equal to 2y y dash and y and y dash are governed by the following values: y of 0 equal to 0, y of 0.2 equal to 0.2027, y of 0.4 equal to 0.4228, y of 0.6 equal to 0.6841, and y dash of 0 equal to 1, y dash of 0.2 equal to 1.041, y dash of 0.4 equal to 1.179, y dash of 0.6 equal to 1.468. Apply the corrector formula twice. The solution of this problem we'll see now.
Hello students, we'll see the problem on Milne's method for second order ordinary differential equation. The problem is apply Milne's predictor and corrector formula, compute y of 0.8 given that y satisfies the equation y double dash is equal to 2 times y into y dash and y dash are governed by the following values. They have given y of 0 equal to 0, y of 0.2 is equal to 0.2027, y of 0.4 equal to 0.4228, y of 0.6 equal to 0.6841, and next y dash of 0 is 1, y dash of 0.2 is 1.041, y dash of 0.4 is 1.179, and y dash of 0.6 is 1.468. So apply the corrector formula twice. So they have given all the values in a word example. So we need to convert these, especially these both the values. So these both values we need to prepare in the table and we need to calculate. So let's first collect the what here. Given second order differential equation solution. So second order differential equation, it is nothing but y double dash is equal to what here? Y double dash is equal to 2y dash is the given second order differential equation. So here what I can say here, put y dash is equal to z and y double dash is equal to what here? Z dash. So therefore the given differential equation becomes, given second order differential equation, this second order differential equation become y double dash is z dash, so it will become z dash is equal to 2y into z. So once we got this, now we need to prepare a table now. So what is the table? We'll see. So this is a table now. So this is x column, y column, y dash which is nothing but z column, and z dash. So z dash is nothing but 2yz. Given differential equation we need to write. So here we have x naught value, x1 value, x2 value, x3 value, x4 value. Similarly y naught value, y1 value, y2, y3, y4, z naught value, z1 value, z2 value, z3, z4, then z naught dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash, and z4 dash. So these are the values from the table. So x0 to x3 it is given, you can see here. So these are the values of x0, 0, 0 0.2, 0 0.4 and 0 0.6. So these are the values of x0 to x4, that is 0, 0 0.2, 0 0.4 and 0 0.6. Also we need to calculate 0 of 0 0.8. they have given the value of x. Now respect to y naught values, so these are nothing but respect to y naughts. So y of 0 equal to 0 means this is y naught value, y1 value, y2 value, y3. So therefore, so y naught values are, y naught value is 0, y1 is 0.2027, then y2 value is 0.4228, y3 value is 0.6841, y4 is question mark. Y4 is what here? Question mark. Similarly, from the question, all y dash of 0 they have given, y dash of 0.2, y dash of 0.4, y dash of 0.6, y dash is nothing but z. So z naught value is 1, z1 value is 1.041, z2 value is 1.179, z3 value is 1.468. So therefore, so these values we need to apply here in the table. So z naught value from the table is, it is 1, then z1 is 1.041, 1.179, then 1.468, z4 we need to calculate. So with the help of these y and z value, we need to calculate z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash. Okay, so when x is 0, z is 0, if x is 0, z is 0, so entire value will become what here? 0. So when x is 0, y is 0.2027 and z is 1.041, so z1 dash will become 0.422. Similarly, z2 dash will become 0.997, z3 dash will become 2.009, z4 dash we need to calculate. So this z4 dash, z4 and y4 we need to calculate first from the predictor, then we need to apply what here? Corrector formula. So we'll see what is predictor and corrector values here. So on applying predictor formula, that is y4 of p is equal to y naught plus 4h upon 3 into 2 times z1 minus z2 plus 2 times z3. So therefore I will apply directly here. So y4 of p, so y naught value from the table it is 0 plus 4, h value if you see it is again 0.2, difference is 0.2 divided by 3 from the formula, 2 times z1 value from the table it is 1.041, next minus z2 value from the table it is 1.179 plus 2 times z3 value from the table it is 1.468. So if you calculate these values in the calculator, so we'll get y4 of p as 1.0237 will get. So this is a predictor value of y4 of p. Similarly, we need to calculate z4 of p also. The formula for z4 of p is z0 plus 4h upon 3 bracket 2 times z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2 times z3 dash. So this is the formula. So in this formula we'll apply the values from the table. So z0 value from the table it is 1, 4 h into 0.2 divided by 3, 2 times z1 dash, what we have calculated in the table it is 0.422 minus z2 dash from the table it is 0.997 plus 2 times z3 dash from the table 2.009. So once we got this values of all z1 dash, z2 dash and z3 dash, so y4 of p on calculation, so a result will be 2.997 1.0307. So this is the values of y4 of p and z4 of p. So once we got these values, so now we need to go for y4 dash, that is 2 times the formula, standard formula, 2 times y into z, which is nothing but 2 times y value, that is nothing but y4 of p value. It is how much we got? 1.0237, 1.0237, and z value is 2.0307. so on calculation, z4 dash will be 4.1577. So we got predicted value of y4, predictor value of y4, predictor value of z4, and predictor value of what here? Z4 dash. So with the help of this, we apply now what here? Corrector formula. So on applying corrector formulae, so y4 of c is equal to, the formula is y2 plus h upon 3 into z2 plus 4 times z3 plus z4. So therefore we'll calculate the value of y4 of c first. So y2 value from the table, it is 0.4228, h value is 0.2 divided by 3 from the formula. Z2 value from the table is 1.179 plus 4 times Z3 value is 1.468 plus Z4 value just now we have calculated. So Z4 value is 2.0307. So it is 2.0307. So on calculation, so y4 of c will be on calculation, it is 1.0282. Similarly, we need to calculate for z4 of c also now. So z4 of c is, so z4 of c formula is given by z2 plus h by 3 into bracket of z2 dash plus 4 times z3 dash plus z4 dash. So on substitution, means on substituting the value of z2, so z2 from the table, it is 1.179 plus h is 0.2 divided by 3, z2 dash it is 0.997 plus 4 times z3 dash from the table 2.009 plus z4, which is we have calculated just now. So it is 4.1577. 4.1577. So if you simplify this value in from the table, it will be z4 of c will be 2.0584. So as per the direction in the question, we need to apply corrector once again, that is twice we need to apply, one time we have applied. So on applying corrector formulae once again, we get, so if you calculate, so y4 of c, once again if you apply same formula, I will just replace the value of what here, fresh value of z4 we need to replace. All values in previous y4 of c, it is same, only fresh value of y4 value, z4 value we need to replace, that is 0.4228 plus 0.2 upon 3 bracket 1.179 plus 4 times 1.468 plus, instead of 2.0307, that is old value of Z4, we need to take fresh value, that is 2.0584 is the fresh value of what here, Z4. So therefore Y4 of C finally will get what here, 1.03009. So therefore I can conclude here. So hence Y4 is nothing but 1.030. So up to 4 decimal place I will, because of 9 I will take 1 here. So it will be 1.0301, or I can say that, which implies Y4 is nothing but value of 0.8. Okay, so it is 1.0301, which is the required solution of the given second order differential equation using Milne's method.